recently had a very good job done for me by Care and Repair. They sold gas for me. Previously I had no gas at all, and it was only electricity, and my immersion heater broke down, and therefore in order to get hot water for my bath I have to boil kettles of water in the kitchen and then carry it upstairs more than 2 or 3 times to fill the bath. But since then, since the installation of the gas, all these chores have gone. Yeah, and life has become a bit easier for me now, especially considering that I'm in my 8th decade. You know, I've got to do everything for myself, you know. So as I said, life has become a bit easier for me. Yeah.